Hello cyber roots. In this video we will learn about how to install Kali Linux as a virtual machine in your PC or laptop. So why does Kali Linux matter is Kali Linux, there are many different types of Linux distributions we have, but Kali is a distro which comes with pre-bundled penetration testing forensic tools related to cybersecurity. That will be the major operating system we will be using throughout this course. So let's get started. First, you have to download the Oracle VirtualBox. It is free. If you are a Windows user, you can come to this link and click on the Windows host button. If you click on it, the download will start. Then if you see that the extension is .exe, so it is an direct executable file in Windows. If you are using Windows, you can this file is downloaded, you can just click on it, click next, install, and you can open this Oracle virtual machine like this. This is a fresh installation. So that is for Windows users. So currently I am not using Windows, I am using Ubuntu. So I am going to Linux distribution. Here I am using Ubuntu 24.4. Now I am downloading the .deb file. How can we how can we install this deb file? Is you have to open the terminal, go to the downloads. So you can see like it's download, it's still partial download only. Wait for it to come full download completely. Now it is downloaded fully. Now what I will do is I will run sudo dpkg -i space virtualbox the deb file. I will install it, but I will get an error because I have already installed the VirtualBox. I'm just showing it to you how you can install too. As cybersecurity engineers, we should not be afraid of errors. Like general in computer science itself, errors are part of everyday life, and that is completely fine. So okay, let's go for error. Yeah. So if you see the third line, you will see like consider removing VirtualBox. Like it, maybe this is a latest version. So what's happening is as I already have it installed, I'm failing to install this again, and that is completely fine. This session is about how to install VirtualBox, and if you run this command yourself, you will be able to install it. That's it. So once you install Oracle VirtualBox, then you have to download the virtual like VM files actually. So here, if you go to the get Kali Linux page, here pre-built virtual machine, so we don't have to do anything like installing and all. So they have a default credentials of Kali and Kali, so you can just install it and log in. So here you can just click on this download button and it will download the 7z file. I will cancel it because I have already downloaded the file, but I will tell you how to make sure if you are downloaded the same file or not. Okay, so as cybersecurity specialist, we have to be always aware that man in the middle attacks can happen anytime. So to check if the downloaded file the file we downloaded is the correct one or not, we have to do a SHA-256 sum. Okay, I'll show you where the downloaded file is. So here's the cyber roots folder. This is the file, the 7z file I have completely downloaded. You can see it's a 3.8 gigabytes. It's already downloaded. So what I will do, I will just route back to the desktop folder, desktop cyber roots. You see here. Okay. So now extended SHA-256 some space calling. So here it is giving a value. Let me copy it. I'll go there. Here, if I search for it, it will match. So what does this mean is, I will not go too much deep in the man on the middle attacks. That's a separate session. Simply, like, for now, understand that when we have this should match. Whatever the files in here should match with the whatever files we downloaded, to make sure that there was no tampering of the files happened in between. That's it. Currently you only need to know just that. Let's look at them in the future sessions. Okay, now I'm in the folder. So now I have to extract the 7z file. I have to just double click on it in Ubuntu. Maybe if you are using Windows, you have to right click and extract with WinRAR or some other files. Maybe you have to do that. Let's wait. Okay, we are okay. Instead of just waiting for, I'll tell you what this means. Okay, so I'll create two files, a.txt. Here in the a.txt I am putting hello, b.txt is, sorry, I am creating another file. Here also hello. So if you see here, both of the files are same. So why I am explaining this is I want to explain the SHA-256 sum while the extraction is happening. I don't want to waste any of your time. So SHA-256 sum space a.txt and b.txt will be the same. If you see this, it is the same thing with the second one. A.txt is b.txt is same. Why it is same is both of their content is same. Both of them are just saying hello. That's it. So why this matters is if an hacker, a red teamer, can just change one line of code, this will not be the same. I will show you. Okay, I'll change b.txt to have, you know what, let me just add a space, not even a like space here. That's a space between the L and O here. You know what will happen? Now we have a completely different the values here. We will go deep into this kind of encryption, decryption, man in the middle attacks, encoding, decoding, everything. But for now, what you need to understand is to validate if the file we downloaded is not tampered with anywhere in the middle, anywhere, we have to check it that SHA-256 sum. That's it. Just think of it as this is just beginning. I will not go deep. So now we have this. So virtualbox and VDI files are now there. I will go to the Oracle VirtualBox and click on add. New means like new is for ISO files. We have not downloaded the ISO file. We will go through this separately, maybe on another day. We are going to just add desktop cyberroots vbox file. Let me open the vbox file and let me start the Kali Linux. Currently Kali Linux is being installed. Yes, that's it. So the username is Kali Password is Kali, 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 that's it. Nothing much. So now Kali Linux is installed and you can use the system actually. Okay, 1 minute, let me like open it, like, yeah. So everything looks good. Kali is installed. So in the next subsequent sessions, we will go through how to use the tools in Kali Linux, how to do reconnaissance, everything. So this is the first session. Thank you, Cyber Roots. Hope you also learn well in cybersecurity. Thank you.